the Marble Run by Rokr, and there's a lot of things to say, but this one we had some issues with the handle, so I just completely removed a gear from it, which belonged in there somewhere. But the handle was like under a lot of stress. So guys, if you do end up building this, make sure to use wax, because otherwise it won't work very good. And basically this has a lot of contraptions. Like here's that thing. Then this is the elevator that causes the pieces to go up. This part still has to be done by hand, but I have a battery pack here you can plug in. And then you have to make sure the motor is engaged with the gear. Okay, well, basically, you have to make sure. Okay, there we go. So now we can turn it on, and it should pick them up from right up there. And then this you can reload. And then once they're all you should bring them up again. There's one. This one took a different route. That's it.